You gonna do some push-ups with me?
Yeah.
Awesome. 175 right here.
175 push-ups. Get the back down right now. Yes.
Let's do it. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Olivia, look at that. Let's take one really cute picture.
10. $20. $30. Come on, hold. Keep it going. Come on, we're at 30. I haven't done 5
Video.
months. Good.
Get the photos for a question.
40. Oh yeah. How you feeling? Good. I'm gonna do 10 more and then I'm gonna switch them up. You know, you guys can join us too.
Not happening.
Not happening. Screw that. Awesome. We're at 50. On at 50. I don't know
Where you're at.
All right. Want to push this up, Dayton? Yeah. I'm gonna do a Spider-Man push-up. Okay. So Spider-Man push-up. You come right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Hey, buddy. I'll get that for you. There you go. Good. Oh, I gotta take pictures of that. I missed that part about the gloves. 20? That's right. He wants me to play soccer. Oh yeah, 70 right there. Straight away to warming up. Take a few seconds. Okay, going again.
Did you get with photos for his website?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Get me dying. You're making these really bad faces. I won't put on Oh yeah.
90. Oh. Holy crap. Oh yeah, that's a good puppy.
Is the warm-up?
No, it's prior to the warm-up.
Oh, this is the warm-up for the warm-up?
Yes. See, I'm about over halfway. 90. Want to pop out 90 more with me? Back to 85.
Jack.
85? Come on, let's do it. Hi, buddy. You want to do some push-ups with me? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, ready? Let's go down. Come down right here. Perfect. And go up. Good, that's one. Do it again. Come on, dude, you got it.
Good, Jack.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Jack.
Keep it going.
I do that.
Yes, you are. Good. Keep it going. Do 2 more.
Yeah.
Can you do 2 more?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. There you go.
I
Okay,
know
we got one
it.
more.
I know it. You're doing
We got
so
one more.
good.
Let's do it. Go all the way down. Go all the way down. Come back up. Awesome.
Good job. Give him a high five.
Awesome.
Good job, Jack.
That is so cool.
Oh, yeah. You want to do some more? Let's do them.
Website.
Oh,
Go.
cool.
Down.
After you might have to fix it.
Oh,
Up.
no,
Down.
He's all covered up with sunglasses anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, get those glasses off because they're getting
We
in
have
the
a
way.
website, so we can look it up.
Stonewall Fitness.
No, I like my glasses off.
Come on, let's. Come
Oh, yeah, dude. All right, nice job, buddy.
Jack, give him a high five and let's go play
There you go.
soccer.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
Fine.
Have fun. All right, buddy.
Awesome.
Good
Okay,
job.
got 70 more.
Jack,
Do it
no,
again.
no, no.
Come on, buddy.
Jack, go find your dad. He wants to go play some
Come on,
soccer.
go play soccer. Don't forget your sunglasses. Jack.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, buddy.
Get your sunglasses, buddy. Don't forget your sunglasses.
Here, come here. Let's cover it. Where are your sunglasses? Oh, thank you.
Awesome. 50 more. Almost there. 50 more, guys. You got it. Ooh, yeah. You look good. Come on, kitty. That's that. Ooh, 40 more.
Jesse, Nick, meet you. You have hair photos for yeah.
30 more? Yay! What's up, kitty? Yeah. You gotta catch that, we're all dead. 40 more. Almost there. Last 20. Ten more. Holy crap, he's a killer. Some good push-ups. Alright, last 10. I'll hold on 10 more. You guys ready? Oh, yeah. 175. Nice job.